Hey you guys, welcome back to the happiest channel on earth. My name is Fiona Jimenez. I hope you guys watch my videos with pride or something that can make you happy. And today's video topic, sorry about my messy hair, I just woke up and I need to go real quick because my video can only go for 5 minutes. So I'm going to do my slime collection. Let's get started. The first slime is this slime, and this slime is just, a yellow hard slime. It's called Expired Lemon. It's a quick one, you guys. This one is just a glue stick slime, and it's a mix of 2 slimes that I have in a glue stick bottle, which is super cool. Next slime is this slime, and this slime, I'm not taking out the whole thing. It's called Blueberry Sorbet, and it's got foam beads, and it's blue slime that's scented Blueberry Sorbet. This one's called Poo, because it looks like poo. Look at it. It's disgusting. It's a mix of every single slime that I have. Next slime is called Pickle Juice. Pickle jar. It used to have pickle juice, but now it doesn't have pickle juice. So. Have I showed you guys this slime? No, I haven't. Okay, next slime is... Hurry up, Fiona. This slime is called, what do you call this? Fairy floss? Bubblegum. There we go, bubblegum. This one is called Peach Bloom. And this slime is called, it's way too sticky. This slime is just a blue tack slime called Purple Yam, and it kind of smells like purple yam. And last sticky slime, finally, I don't have to rush. Neon Yellow Best. It's called Sunburst Yellow. It's a putty. Save the best for last. Neon too. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, and I love you guys so much. Bye. And also subscribe to become a llama corn, and press that notification button to become a llama corn notification squad, part of that squad. And also like this video for more videos like this one, and also comment any suggestions that you guys want for the next video. I love you guys all. Bye. Mwah.